Hi friends, welcome to 2 Minutes Personal Finance Show by Santosh Bhandarkar. Spending money mindlessly is easy to do, not to mention it's a fun. Between one-click purchases, instant downloads of new movies and music, quick stop for something to eat and impulse purchase in stores, it's entirely possible to spend your entire paycheck in a day without even realizing. Today we shall discuss 3 spending habits, mindful spending habits. They are number 1, calculating, number 2, reasoning, and number 3, waiting. CRW. So the first mindful spending strategy or the habit is calculating. Calculate cost in hours spent. To put the strategy in action, start with your monthly income. Let's assume your take-home salary is 1 lakh rupees per month. By putting 200 hours of monthly work, so you earn rupees 500 per hour. So when you are tempted to buy an item worth 10,000 bucks, the price may seem like no big deal. But is that item worth 20 hours of your work time? You have to decide on that. This item is 20 hours of your work time, whether to go for it or not. Calculating prices in hours worked means that you are actually clear on what the true cost is. Number 2, reasoning. Know why you are shopping. One of my NRI clients told me of this habit of keeping several cards with questions. Like put one in front of your credit card or debit card in your wallet, laptop, or one taped at the back of your phone. The questions are: why do I want to buy this? What problem do I expect this purchase to solve? Do I already own something similar? Can I recreate the feeling of buying this without spending money or by spending lesser money? So check in with yourself and stop the purchase if it's not what you really want. The third and the most important money-saving habit or strategy is waiting. Wait before the purchase. This is a classic personal finance tip. One method of both calming the shopping enthusiasm of yours or the shopping enthusiasm inside you is to keep a purchase wish list. Once you have written your purchase wish list, set a date anywhere from 2 to 7 days in future when you may come back to make the purchase if you still want it. This will create self-awareness and train yourself to resist impulse buying. Parting with money is incredibly easy, friends. Develop these 3 mindful spending habits of calculating, reasoning, and waiting. CRW. Stay tuned for more on personal finance. This is Santosh Bhandarkar signing off. Thank you.